premium standard with shower room. This means you get your own sink and shower for getting ready in the morning with communal toilets nearby. In your room, you get a really comfy 3/4 size bed. One of the best things about this room is the storage. There's a large wardrobe and a bookshelf to put all your things. There's a really nice desk area that makes a perfect place for studying. There's even a pin board that you can decorate with posters and photos.